Good morning, children. So last class I have explained regarding this lesson, that is formatting in HTML. So we have used that is heading tags. So how many heading tags are there? So there are 6 heading tags, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Then paragraph tag. Then we have bold, italic, underline tag. So these all tags are container tags. So let us start with a new tag, that is one more tag, that is strike tag. So strike tag, with this one you can make out the particular text will be strike through, or it can be a line is drawn through that particular text, that is strike tag. So this is a container tag. So the syntax for this strike tag is strike, the text should be or the word should be written within this close, that is strike tag. So below that the HTML code is given, children, you can see. So the code you can see, and the relevant output is also been given there. You can check it out on the screen, children. So how it is been written: HTML head, title close, then head close, body tag. Within that they have given the coding. So you can see here, that is next one we have a typewriter tag. So typewriter tag, the syntax is TT, and the word or the syntax should be written in TT tag. The text should be printed in the typewriter font here. So we are using, and this is the container tag. So below that, children, you can see the HTML code and the relevant output of that tag here. You can see it on the screen, children, HTML code. So how it is written: HTML head, title close, body close. The output is been given. So next one is pre-formatted tag. Pre-formatted tag is nothing but sometimes when you want to display poems or data with specific spaces and lines in between, you can use pre-formatted tag. So for this one, see, you can see it on the screen, HTML code and the output. So the syntax is pre, then close pre tag. Within that the text or the paragraph should be written. So I have written with the spaces I have written in HTML code, and the output you can see it on the screen, children. So same spaces, same lines, everything is being printed, that is in the web browser. So next tag is superscript tag. Superscript tag is nothing but here the text or number enclosed between SUP and close SUP tags is displayed as raised above the normal line of text, or and slightly smaller in size. You can see it in the screen. HTML code they have given here, and the syntax for this HTML code is SUP and close SUP tag. So the relevant output is also been given. For example, a square plus b square. So that is a superscript here. So a particular text or number should be raised by the, that is a normal level. So you can see it on the screen. So next tag is subscript tag. So the syntax is SUB, then the particular alphabet or number, then close SUB tag. So here the whatever it is been written, the text or a number, that will appear slightly below the normal line. So it is a, for example, we can take it as CO2, O2, H2O. So you can make out how it is going to be displayed. So subscript tag they have given here, the relevant output is also been displayed. You can see it on the screen, children. So after this, children, I have given one small example of by using all these tags. So HTML head, title, attributes, close title tag, close head tag, body tag, H1 tag I have used. You know how many heading tags are there. Then strike, do your best, close strike tag, BRBR 2 lines, TT tag for that particular line, close TT tag, BR tag 2 times, then pre tag, pre-formatted close, E is equal to MC SUP2, close SUP, BR 2 lines again, CO SUB2, close SUB. So forward slash everywhere you can see. So that is the closing tag. Close H1, close body, close HTML tag. So here BR is nothing but breakline tag. So you can see it on the screen. Do your best. That is a strike tag. So below that 2 lines I have left with the help of BR tag. Then attributes provide this line is TT tag, that is typewriter font. Below that again I have left 2 lines. Then I have taken pre-formatted. You can check they are always specified. After that I have left some space in notepad. Same thing is displayed here in the web browser itself. Below that I have, that is E is equal to MC square, that is superscript, CO2 is subscript. Superscript and subscript. So I'll be giving you notes for this lesson, children. Thank you.